How to download a TikTok video without the watermark. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you a simple method to download a TikTok video without the watermark. Make sure to watch till the end. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is open up the TikTok app. Once you're in, find the video that you want to download. In this example, I've found a video I want to save to my phone. Now, to download the video, tap the share icon at the bottom right of the screen. In the share menu, you'll see various options. Scroll until you see Duet. Tap on it. The Duet option splits your screen, showing the video on one side and your camera on the other. Once you're in the Duet mode, you'll notice an option for green screen. Tap on it, it's the first option. Now, here's a key trick. Make sure not to show your face or record yourself. Instead, point your camera upward or at a blank space. You don't need to say or do anything for this recording. The video will capture the original TikTok with no interference from your side. You'll still have the original sound intact. Once the recording is complete, hit Next. Instead of posting the duet, save it as a draft. This way, you don't have to share it publicly. Now, go to your profile and look for the draft you just saved. Tap on it, and then tap the share icon again. You'll see an option to save the video directly to your phone. Once the video is saved, go to your phone's video gallery. As you can see, the video is saved without the watermark, and the original sound is still there. And that's it. Make sure to hit the like button, share, and subscribe for more tech fixes. See you in the next video.